Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's video. So today we're looking at a Kuta worksheet on multiplying matrices. So I'm going to go through this kind of quick, but pay close attention, and by the end you should know how to multiply all different types of matrices. So in order to multiply matrices, you have to actually be able to um, know what type of matrix it is. So both of these here are 2 by 2. Okay, it's a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 2. There's 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. So here's the main thing you need to know. Is the number in the middle the same? If the answer to that is yes, then you're good. That means you can multiply it. If it's not, you cannot multiply them. It's just not one you could do. Okay. Second, the numbers on the outside lets you know what your new matrix should be. So your new matrix is going to be a 2 by 2 as well, because the numbers on the outside is 2 by 2. Okay. Now you're going to go through this step by step, and I'm going to show you. So here we're going to take this row and this column and multiply. So, and that's going to be our first number. So 0 times 6 is 0, and 2 times 3 is 6, and together that adds up to equal 6. Alright, now we're going to do that same row, but the second column. So we got 0 times negative 6 is 0, and 2 times 0 is 0. Add that up, you get 0. Alright, now we're going to go down to the second row, but the first column. Negative 2 times 6 is 12, negative 12, and negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. You add those two together, and you get negative 27. And then now that same row, but the next column. Negative 2 times negative 6, positive 12. Negative 5 times 0 is 0. Add that up, and you get 12. So the new matrix is 6, 0, negative 27, and 12. Like so. Alright. Let's try number 2. So this is a 2 rows, 1 column. This is a 1 column, 2 rows. So I wrote them side by side. Is the numbers in the middle the same? Yes. Is the numbers on the outside? It's going to tell us our new matrix, a 2 by 2. So we're going to do the first row, first column, 6 times negative 5, negative 30. And then 6 times 4 is 24. Negative 3 times negative 5, positive 15. Okay. Just 1 second. And next up is negative 3 times 4, which is negative 12. So that's our new matrix. Alright, let's look at number 3. Alright, here we got another 2 by 2 and a 2 by 2. So the 2 in the middle is the same, and our new matrix is going to be 2 by 2. First row, first column, negative 5 times negative 2, positive 10. Negative 5 times positive 3, negative 15. Add that together, you get a negative 5. Alright, first row, second column. Negative 5 times negative 3, positive 15. Negative 5 times 5, negative 25. Add that together, you get negative 10. Second row, first column. Negative 1 times negative 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Add that together, you get 8. And second row, second column. Negative 1 times negative 3, positive 3. 2 times 5 is 10. Add that together, it's 13. And if I want to write the new matrix, it'd be like this. Negative 5, negative 10, 8, and 13. Alright, number 4. Another 2 by 2. 2 in the middle is the same. Got 2 on the outside. So we got 2 by 2. First row, first column, negative 3, 5, 6, and 1. Negative 3 times positive 6 is negative 18. 5 times 1 is 5. Add that together, you get negative 13. First row, second column, negative 3 plus 5, or negative 3 and 5, negative 2 and negative 5. Negative 3 times negative 2, positive 6. 5 times negative 5, negative 25. Add that together, negative 19. All right. Second row, first column, negative 2 times 6, negative 12. 1 times 1 is 1. Add that together, negative 11. Second row, second column, negative 2 times negative 2, 4. 1 times negative 5, negative 5. Add that together, negative 1. It comes out to be negative 13, negative 19, negative 11, negative 1. All right, here we got some different ones here now. This one is a 3 by 2, 3 rows, 2 columns, and then this is a 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. All right, same rules though. Is the numbers in the middle the same? Yes, that means we can multiply. Our new matrix is going to be a 3 by 2. So I got more space here. All right, first row, first column, 0 times negative 4, it's going to be 0. 5 times negative 2, negative 10. Add that together, negative 10. First row, second column, 0 times, this should be 0 times negative 4. It's on the wrong spot. This should be here. 0 times negative 4. Oh, actually, that was right. Messed that up. I'm sorry. This should be right here. All right, 0 times 4, 0. 5 times negative 4, negative 20. Add that together, negative 20. All right, right here, second row, first column. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Add that together, you get 10. Second row, second column. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Add that together, get negative 16. All right, negative 5 and 1. Negative 4 and negative 2. Negative times negative is positive. 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Add that together, you get 18. Third row, second column. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Add that together, you get negative 24. So you got negative 10, negative 20, 10, negative 16, 18, negative 24. All right, I'll try to get as much of these as I can get done here. So let's look at number 6 here. On this one, we've got a 2 rows, 3 columns, 3 rows, 2 columns. So 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Are the numbers in the middle the same? Yes. Numbers on the outside tell us what we got, a 2 by 2. So it's going to be big, and we're going to have a lot of numbers to add here. So we got 5, this first row, first column. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 5 times 3 is 15. Add that together, you get negative 14. Second row and second column. Got 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. Add that together, you get negative 3. All right. Second row, first column. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. 5 times negative 3 is negative 3. No, sorry, negative 15. 0 times 3 is 0. Add that together, you get negative 19. Second row, second column. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 4 is 20. 0 times negative 5 is 0. Add that together, 22. So all together, negative 14, negative 3, negative 19, 22. All right, number 7. We got a 3 by 1 and a 1 by 2. Small amount of numbers here, but the actual matrix is going to be so since it's 1 in the middle here, it works. And the new matrix is going to be a 3 by 2. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. 6 times 3 is 18. And 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. 0 times 3 is 0. And 0 times negative 1 is 0. So that's the new matrix. All right, let's take a look at this one. All right, so this one is a 2 by 3 and a 2 by 3, both 2 by 3s. But the numbers in the middle are not the same. So you're going to say it's undefined. All right, let me see if I can get another one done here. Oh, that's pretty much it. That's it. So, again, I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and that was Multiplying Matrix. Have a nice day.